Hi, my name is James. I'm happy to be here.
I am happy to be here.
That's my friend Emily. She's a bright student.
She's a bright student.
Thank you, James. You're a bright student too.
You are a bright student too.
Oh, that woman is worried. Yes, she's worried.
Oh, that woman is worried.
Oh, that man is tired. Yes, he's tired.
Oh, that man is tired.
Oh, that girl is thirsty. Yes, she's thirsty.
That girl is thirsty.
Oh, that man is scared. Yes, he's scared.
That man is scared.
Oh, that woman is sad. Yes, she's sad.
That woman is sad.
Oh, that boy is sick. Yes, he's sick.
That boy is sick.
Oh, that girl is sleepy. Yes, she's sleepy.
That girl is sleepy.
Oh, that kids are happy. Yes, they're happy.
Yes, they're happy.
Oh, that man is hungry. Yes, he's hungry.
That man is hungry. Yay!
Oh, that cat is friendly. Yes, it's friendly.
That cat is friendly.
Oh, that woman is angry. Yes, she's angry.
That woman is angry.
Oh, that kid is happy. Yes, he's happy.
That kid is happy.
Oh, we're happy too. Yes, we're happy too.
Yes, we are happy too.
She's worried.
She's worried.
He's tired.
He's tired.
She's thirsty.
She's thirsty.
They're happy.
They're happy.
She's sleepy.
She's sleepy.
He's sick.
He's sick.
She's sad.
She's sad.
He's scared.
He's scared.
It's friendly.
It's friendly.
He's hungry.
He's hungry.
She's angry.
She's angry.
He's happy.
He's happy. Yay.
You're happy.
You're happy. Yay. Yay.